Good morning and welcome to this session of Money, Sex, Power. We are learning success from the richest man who ever lived. Today is day 9. We'll read from chapter 9. Let me read to you verse 16. Let anyone who is immature and foolish turn aside here, she says to those who have no sense. Here it is talking about a category of people who are immature, foolish, and they have no sense. Many times we behave immature or foolish and without sense. We can find people behaving the same way. Now, when you are immature and you have no sense and you are, foolish, there is quite a lot of opportunity you will come across where you can change your behavior. In fact, these three people are wanted by two sources. One is wisdom, one is foolishness. If you see the previous verse 15, it says, she is calling out to who pass by the streets to the people walking straight on the way. In fact, this is foolishness. If you read verse 3, it says, she calls out from the highest points of the city. Here, wisdom is calling in verse 3. Foolishness is calling in verse 15. So these three people are target of all the systems of the world. Today, people want immature, foolish, and senseless people because they can be used as puppets in many places. I tell you, there are many politicians who don't want the country to be educated. Why? If they are educated, they will think. If they think, they will not vote for them. They cannot use certain tactics to win their votes. Today, politicians are very good at keeping the whole country poor, whole country uneducated, without proper internet connection. There are so many things they can do to keep the people immature, foolish, and senseless so that they can rule that foolish breed of people and they can amass wealth of that nation. Today, my friend, if you are foolish, if you are immature and you have no sense, I tell you, you have a great opportunity to learn wisdom. In fact, from immaturity, you have to go to maturity. From foolishness, you have to become wise. From senselessness, you have to go to understanding. My friends, these are the three things we need to get into. Only a mature person can handle life. Immature person cannot handle problems. See, when small boys come to us, they bring small problems. When young boys come to us, they bring certain bigger problems. But married men come to us, it is a bigger problem. When company CEOs come to us, they have bigger problems. When politicians who are ruling the nations come to us, they have a huge problem. I tell you something, it always depends upon the maturity of a person. Small people, immaturity. Big people, maturity. What I want to say is, today, if you are immature, if you are small and immature and senseless, I tell you, there are enough opportunities you will have around you. You will have the wisdom also calling upon you, foolishness also calling upon you. When you cooperate with the wisdom, you will become mature. From immaturity, you will become mature. From senselessness, you will become very understanding. Today, many people have no understanding of anything. They just do it because everybody else is doing it. They are not understanding it. Many students also, they study without understanding. They just mug it up. What happens? It doesn't help them at all. My friends, instead of being foolish, you can be very wise. I tell you, just because you are foolish or ignorant or senseless or immature, don't be discouraged. There will be enough opportunities if you look around so that you can grow into maturity, wisdom, and understanding. Thank you for joining us. Hope you liked today's session. We'll meet tomorrow, same time. God bless you.